Hi everyone! Welcome to the YarnNecklaces channel. So I guess you guys know what today is. It's the big day where I reveal the winner of the hashtag christmasinjulyfairies. I want to thank you all so much for subscribing and leaving a comment. This is my first time doing a giveaway, so I really didn't know what to expect. I was thinking, I hope at least 20 people do this, I don't know. But there are literally hundreds of entries, so I was just totally blown away. Thank you so much. I also want to thank Dana at Dana's Wonderlust Crochet because she was the one who came up with this idea and I just think it's fabulous. And make sure you watch her channel on July 25th because that's when she'll be doing the grand prize giveaway. I hope you all check back with my channel after the giveaway's over because I have a lot of great tutorials coming up soon. Most of them will be about crocheting or jewelry making and sometimes both. And make sure you ring that notification bell, that way you won't miss out on the next video. And also, I will certainly be doing another giveaway soon. I just haven't figured out what I want to do yet. In my original video about the giveaway, I asked you if you wanted yarn, jewelry, or a combination of both. So I'm going to wait and see who wins before I pick out what I want to give away, so that way I give them what they want. But one thing I know that people do need is a face mask. And I've been making these face masks since early April, and I've made a way to make it adjustable and elastic that goes behind the back of your neck. So I'm getting a lot of positive reviews on this face mask. So if you're looking to make a really good quality face mask, definitely check out the link below, and I have a tutorial on how to make this one. Alright, so I know you all are on the edge of your seat and you want to see who won the giveaway. So let's go to my computer and I'll pull up the random comment picker and we'll pick the winner. Alright, so here we are on my computer. We're going to pull up that link to the video where everybody entered in on the drawing. So I'm going to get the link, and then we're going to go over here to our random comment picker. I'm going to paste that link here. We are going to filter out duplicate users, and I don't think we need to do this. Filter comments, no. Add extra entries, no. Alright, get YouTube comments. All right, amount of unique commenters, 398. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, then we go down here and start raffle and pick random winner. So let's click start. Here we go. And the winner is Katherine Davidson. Congratulations, Katherine. This is so cool. She said, I would love the handmade jewelry. So cool. That's what I said. So cool. That's great. So Katherine, I will definitely send you some handmade jewelry and also the mask I showed you earlier. So I'm excited to pick out what I'm going to send you. I'll definitely make a video on that, and I'll just say don't watch it if you want to be surprised. So Katherine, I'll need you to email me. You can email me at yarnnecklaces@gmail.com and just send me your address, and I'll put a link to that in the description below so you can click on that. And I will forward your name on to Dana at Dana's Wonderlust Crochet, so you'll be entered in the grand prize drawing. So I wish you so much luck, and I'm definitely rooting for you. I want to thank everyone for participating in the giveaway, and make sure you leave a comment in the description below and congratulate Katherine on her win. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.